Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and I just want to make a short video. And I'm about to start adding soil to finish off this herb spiral. So I just kind of want to show you the process of how to build it. Okay, and a lot of people get confused when they see a herb spiral. But once you understand it, it's pretty simple actually. You put all your water hungry herbs at the bottom, and then you work your way up. Let me show you here. I'm going to turn you around and show you the herb spiral here. All right here. So once this is filled up with dirt, you're going to put all your herbs that are not so water hungry, that they'll be on top, and then they'll be coming down to the bottom where you have your water hungry herbs. So when the water comes into this herb spiral, it's gonna work its way down to the bottom here. You'll see once I fill this with dirt, it's gonna be sloped down, and you'll notice. But anyway, and look at, if you're wondering, these things are solid. It's not going anywhere. You use some landscape glue under each row, and you just set the blocks on, and it's a lot more solid than I thought it was going to be. But yeah, anyway, I will show you a little bit more once I get this filled up. But yeah, it's looking great. It's going to be beautiful when it's finished and planted out. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns. And if you want to transform your backyard, front yard, property, cabin, your lake home, anything, you want to transform that into a regenerative, edible landscape that will feed you and your family for years to come, get a hold of me, Travis at foodforestabundance.com, or send a text to 612-990-5345. Have an amazing day, my friend.